Hello guys, this is Herman again in another Just My Review, and today I'm gonna show you guys something different. Okay, you guys see right here we got the remote controller. This is specifically for the Ridgeline 2021, but you know, as I see another cars and trucks for the line of the Honda, I can see that we share almost the same frame of this remote controller. Now what is that for? Because I'm gonna show you something here, guys. Okay, take a closer look and tell me what you see different. I'm gonna count 1 2 3 and you guys tell me 1 2 3. If you guys see the right, you guys can see the borders, right? Well, it's because this one got a case. Yes, I got a case not only for phones but also case for the remote controller. And why we need a case for this? Well guys, the same reason we got a case for the phone. If the phone falls, what's gonna happen? Can get broken, scratch. Same thing with this little guy right here. And I'm telling you that for experience. This guy almost get broken. When I got the car, it fell and things got nothing happened. But with the daily use, guys, just when we hook up this to our belt, to the book bag, or anywhere else, sometimes we hit walls and you know we scratch the finish of the remote controller. It start getting bad and looking ugly and everything. And if it falls on the floor, well, it can get broken too. And replace this guy is around $250. Well, this little cover right here make a difference, guys. It's only $7 to $10. I don't remember exactly. And I wait this long because I want to make sure this is working not only for me, but it's going to work for you guys. They got different colors and everything, and it's very good. Got this little window right here when you guys can see the logo for the Honda. And you know, outside is open just to make sure it fits any of the buttons for the other different lines of the Honda vehicles. And guys, it's very good. Like I told you guys, it protects the remote. Guys, I'm gonna put the links down below, and I just want to show you guys this. So far I got 3 to 4 months with this guy, and it's real good, real strong. As you guys can see, is no damages. It looks like the same day I got it, and it's protecting real good my remote controller. All right guys, see you guys later in another Just My Review. Please thumbs up. God bless you guys all, and please subscribe if you are not. Thank you very much, and I hope you like this short video. Bye bye.